Hello, good morning, students. As we are reading the chapter lesson 4 from the diary of Anne Frank by Anne Frank from your book First Flight. Uh, some part of the chapter we have already read. Open your book on page number 51 from first paragraph. Since no one would. She wanted the diary to be her friend, so she named it as her friend Kitty. She wrote a brief sketch of her life. She wrote a brief sketch means brief sketch of her life. Brief description of her life, though she disliked doing so. So she wrote it. She wrote that her father married her 25-year-old मदर. यानी देखो उसने अपना एक लाइफ का एक ब्रीफ एक छोटा सा अकाउंट पेश किया है और इसलिए उसने इसे लिखा. हालांकि उसकी इच्छा नहीं थी. उसने लिखा कि उसके पिता ने 36 वर्ष की आयु में उसकी 25 वर्षीय माँ से शादी की. हर मदर वॉज 11 years younger to her husband. Her sister Margot was born in Frankfurt in Germany in 1926. She was born on 12 June 1929. Already her date of birth I have told in the starting of the story. Her father emigrated to Holland in 1933. यानी कि उसके जो फादर थे वो एमिग्रेटेड मीन्स टू सेटल. हर फादर सेटल्ड टू हॉलैंड इन 1933. हर मदर एडिथ हॉलैंडर फ्रैंक वेंट विद हर फादर टू हॉलैंड, but she and her sister were sent to Aachen to stay with their grandmother. Then they went to Holland. In this way, they settled in Holland. And I have told you कि कहाँ कौन चला गया और कौन कब पैदा हुआ. उसकी सिस्टर की डेट ऑफ बर्थ यहाँ पे बताइए. उसकी खुद की एनीज स्कूल. There she was sent to a Montessori nursery school. Montessori schools are famous for nursery students. She stayed there until she was 6. She stayed in that school, Montessori school, for 6 years of her age. In the 6th class, her teacher was Mrs. Cooperus. Mrs. Cooperus was her teacher and the headmistress. Both had tears when they bade farewell. देखिए 6ठी क्लास में उसकी अध्यापिका और हेडमिस्ट्रेस कौन थी? क्यूपरस. दोनों विदा होने पर रोई. And in the summer of 1941, her grandma fell ill. She had to be operated upon. और इन समर गर्मी के दिनों में 1941 में उसकी मदर जो है बीमार पड़ गई और उनका ऑपरेशन किया जाना था. She died in January 1942. She thought of her greatly and she loved her still. They celebrated Annie's birthday in 1942. The 4 of them were doing well. Who were 4 of them? Her father, sister, and mother, and she herself. Then Annie wrote her diary again. It was like this. तो इस तरह से उसने डायरी लिखना वापस शुरू किया और ये ऐसे ही चलता रहा। It was the day of the declaration of results. Everyone in her class was in tension. The reason was who would go to the next class and who would not. They had bets with other boys. Bets means shartein. They had bets with other boys on who would pass and who would not. कौन पास होगा कौन नहीं, दिस इज़ द क्वेश्चन ऑफ bet and she found the teachers as the most unpredictable means जिसकी भविष्यवाणी नहीं की जाए, unpredictable creatures on the earth. Teachers are like the most unpredictable creatures on the earth. She was not worried about her girlfriends and herself. She was sure to make that. She was sure to pass. She had a great confidence and belief that she would pass, but she was not sure about maths. They would wait and they could wait and tell each other not to lose heart. ये मैथ्स में आज भी हमें डर लगता है और इसकी वजह से हम थोड़ा सा नर्वस हो जाते हैं, बट ये लोग कह रही हैं आपस में कि स्टूडेंट्स के हमें निराश नहीं होना चाहिए, हमें वेट करना चाहिए. She went along her teachers pretty well. Mr. Kissing was a dull person who taught them maths. He was always annoyed. Annoyed means angry with her as she talked much. He gave her extra homework as a punishment. It was in the form of an essay on a chatterbox. She was unable to understand what she could write about it. She put a slip on it on her school bag. It was to remind herself to write later. ये जो है कि चैटर बॉक्स पे एक उसको बड़ा सारा ऐसे लिखने के लिए दिया और वो समझ नहीं सकी कि इसके बारे में क्या लिखना है. उसने एक स्लिप लगा दी ताकि उसको उसके बारे में लिखने की याद आ जाए. In the evening, she had done for her homework. She began thinking of the subject of the essay. She began to think of the subject. Which subject? Subject of the essay, topic. She thought to write good points of arguing to prove the necessity of talking. Chatterbox means टॉकिंग ट्रेजर, मतलब बातों का खजाना. और वो ये टॉपिक था और उसमें उसको ये बताना था कि नेसेसिटी ऑफ टॉकिंग, बातें करने की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है. शी हैड टू राइट in favor of necessity of talking. Then she had an idea. She then wrote the 3 pages to her satisfaction. 3 pages she wrote for her satisfaction. She wrote that talking was a feature of a student. Feature means trait. Talking was a trait or feature of a student. Her mother also used to talk much. उसकी मम्मी भी बहुत ज़्यादा बातें करती थी. तो स्टूडेंट का तो एक आदत होती है और उनका फीचर होता है ये, और उनकी विशेषता होती है ये. शी इनहेरिटेड दिस ट्रेट फ्रॉम हर मदर. शी ट्राइड टू कीप क्वाइट. सो दिस इज़ sufficient for today. 2 pages and I will finish in the next video, and you can read this story in detail, and you can start question answers. And those students are very good who have sent their notebooks for correction in the school, and those who are not sending the notebooks, they must start doing work in their notebooks and start learning. Okay, so that I want more and more copies, notebooks filled with your work, complete work and perfect work. Thank you and have a nice day. God bless you.